How can you buy low and sell high in forex trading? Hey guys, if you're watching for the first time, my name is Forex and in this video I'll be showing you how you can buy low and sell high to make a lot of profit in forex trading market. So firstly, you need to understand buy and sell in forex. Now, what do we mean by buy? What do we mean by sell? When we say buy, we're talking about going long, we're talking about bullish, and when we say sell, we're talking about going short, and we're talking about bearish. And no, we buy at a cheaper price, and we sell at a higher price. No, everyone always wants to buy something at a very cheaper price, and we always want to sell it at a very higher price. Now, when it comes to forex, now we buy at a cheaper price, we sell at a higher price. Now, so buying in forex is called what? It's called going long. Now, when I say go long on Euro USD, I'm saying buy Euro USD. When I say Euro USD looks bullish, let's go bullish on Euro USD, I'm still saying let's buy Euro USD. Do you get that? When we say selling forex trade, that's what I mean. Going short or what? Or bearish. Now I can just say, okay, Euro USD, let's sell Euro USD. Let's go short on Euro USD, or Euro USD is bearish. I'm still saying let's sell Euro USD. So that's just it. You are going to see something on the chart now. Something very, very funny on the chart. Looking at my chart now, let me zoom in very well. Looking at my chart now, you'll notice that these candlesticks, they have just two different colors. We have the red candlestick, which are those ones coming down, and we have the green candlesticks, which are those ones going up. Now, my red candlesticks here that are coming down are what? Are my selling candlesticks. They are the one selling. They are the one going short. They are the one looking bearish in the market. Now, my green candlesticks are my buying candlesticks. They are the one going long, and they are the bullish candlesticks on the chart. Now we want to buy when the price is low, and the more buyers buy, the more the price increases. Now, looking at the chart now, you see this chart now. The buyers are buying, and the price keeps increasing. It keeps increasing. Now the price will continue to increase until we reach a point called the overbought. Now at the overbought point, now look at mine. Just look at the screen now. You see now we bought at this point, and the price keeps pushing up. It keeps pushing up. Then we reach a point called the overbought. This overbought now, the buyers, they stop buying. You get? Now the buyers stop buying because of the very high price. Now compare the price we are buying here is 0.71 compared to the overbought price here, which is 0.76. It's high. Yeah, good. So now the buyers, they stop buying, and at this time called the overbought time, it is the best time to sell. You will have made a lot of profit between the time you bought here and the time you sell here. You've made a huge profit. Now this is the time for you to just sell out and leave. Now at this point, this is the best time to sell. At the overbought, that's the best time to sell. Overbought time, that's the best time to sell. Let me just this is the time I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the best time to sell. Just sell off. Now, once they stop buying, then price will start coming down, and this is what we experience here. Now, the buyers, they stop buying here because they've reached the overbought price. Now, they stop buying, and price keeps dropping. Then we start having a push down. Can you see? We start having a push down in price. Then start pushing down. Price start pushing down, and that is it. And now the price keeps pushing down because the buyer stop buying. When the price comes down to a certain point, we call it the oversold. Now you see here, you see the price keep pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. Then we reach the point called the what? The oversold. Now this oversold price now, what happens there? This is the best time to what? This is the best time to also buy, because the sellers, what, they stop selling. What they want now is they want to buy. The buyers are in play now. The buyers wants to buy. They want to buy at this oversold price. At this oversold price, the buyers, they want to buy, so they are ready to buy now. So now, once the sellers stop selling and the buyers wants to buy now, this is the best time for you to what? This is the best time to buy. This is the best time to buy. Now see, now buying at this price now, 0.736, and see now 0.76, and we have a drop in price. So that's how the price, that's how the price keeps going up, keeps coming down, keeps going up, keeps coming down, like that. But at times we have a long selling or downtrend. At times at times you have a long selling or downtrend. Like see now, you see a very long buying. We may have a long buy, we may have a long sell. So you see this one now, you see a long sell. This is a long sell, very very long. This is a long sell, and this is what we're talking about. That's the trend. This is a long sell here. We're having a long sell here. See. Long sell here. Change the color here. Okay. You're having the long sell here. That's the trend. It keeps going down. That is the trend. Now, at times we have a long sell, we have a long buy. That's why you need to take note of the market trend. Before you decide to buy or before you sell, make sure you know the trend of the market. Make sure you know the trend, because you can't trade against the market trend. No, don't do that. Don't trade against the market trend. Make sure you know the trend before you want to go in for a buy or you want to go in for a sell. Now quickly, let's look at this supply zone and demand zone now. Let's look at this supply and demand zone now. Yeah, looking at the supply zone now, what do you think is going to happen at this point now? Now we are at the supply zone. What do you think is going to happen at the supply zone? That's where we'll take our sell entry, right? Now we're going to take our sell entry from our supply zone here, which will push the market to what? To the demand zone. Now at the demand zone also, now we are going to do what? We are going to buy. We are going to make our buy entry at the demand zone, and that's going to push it's going to push the price what? To the supply zone also. So at this point again, we do what? We sell again. So once we sell at this point again, it's going to push the price down to what? It's going to put the price down to our demand zone. It's going to push our price down to the demand zone now. Yeah, let me do something. Yeah, now at this point again, we buy. Then the market continue ranging around the supply and demand zone till we have a breakout. Till we have a breakout of the supply and demand zone. Till we have a breakout. Now you see, finally we had a breakout here at this point. Yeah. See, finally we have a breakout at this point now. But actually there was a breaking back before. There was a downward. Yeah, you see now. You see. Yeah, see something now. Now looking at this chart now, you see at this point we do what? This is a double top, and we are going to make what? We are going to make our sell entry. So we sell before there was a breakout here. There was breakout, and before there was a breakout here, and the market came back into the range. So now that's how we trade supply and demand zone. We buy at the demand zone. Once the price reaches the demand zone, we buy, and once the price reaches the supply zone, we sell. But also take note, whenever you want to buy, whenever you want to place a buy entry, you want to place your sell entry at the supply and demand zone, just don't use this strategy alone. Make sure you have a confidence before you decide to place a buy or a sell entry. Use some other strategy to confirm your entry. So just don't use just these, because the market has reached this demand zone. Just don't say then now the market will go up. No, don't say that, because there may actually be a breakout at that point where you want to place your buy or want to place your sell entry. Now quickly, let's see the overview of the market. Then we see these are selling. I call this selling, we call this short, we call this bearish. Now we call this long, buying, and what bullish. Bullish, you have bearish, we have bearish also, and this is the downtrend we talked about. Don't forget to use the comment box if you have any question. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you yet to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification button so that you won't miss out of my coming videos. Watch my recommended videos, and thanks for watching this video, and see you in my next video.